Yo, what is up everybody? It's Jack here. I'm a Shopify developer here at Section Store, and today in this video I'll be showing you how you can add a testimonial slider just like these examples here to any Shopify theme in just a couple of minutes. A super common request I get as a Shopify developer is how to add testimonials or reviews like these to Shopify themes, because of a lot of apps out there either want you to pay a subscription or a large one-off fee to implement something like this. So this tutorial is going to show you how you can add a super customizable section, just like these two examples, to any Shopify theme that's free or paid, in only a couple of minutes, and there's absolutely no subscription or ongoing app cost. To do this, I'm using the Shopify app Section Store. Section Store is a component library of over 500 different Shopify sections that can be added into any theme, free or paid. This app has over 30 different testimonial sections, but today I'm going to take a look at this one, Testimonial 8. If I click into the section, we can see a little bit more information about it. Most importantly, that it's a one-time charge of $9 and it's never recurring. So once you've bought it, you own it forever and you can use it as many times as you like. I'm going to go ahead and purchase the section. That's going to show up here under My Sections. As we can see, we now have the section here, so I'm just going to click Add to Theme and add it to my theme in a single click. Jump over into the theme editor, hit Add Section, search for Testimonial 8 and add the section to your page. As you can see, the section is now added to the page, and here's an example that I created earlier. To start with the customization, we're going to click on the section name, which is the overall section settings that you see here on the right hand side. We can move down these settings and customize everything one by one. So starting off with our header or at the title at the top here. You have the option to use a custom font, which you can choose here. We've got a heading size for both desktop and mobile, line height and text alignment, etc. The thing I love about these sections is they have a lot of settings for both desktop and mobile, so you completely customize the customer experience depending on which device they're viewing from. Moving down, we've got the rating text, which is this text here. You can customize the text, again the font, the size on desktop and mobile, and the line height. We've then got the rating settings, so the star rating, if you want to hide or show the rating, and if we want it aligned left and the right or in the center. We've got the stars setting, so you can add a custom stars icon if you don't like the one that comes with the section. You can add a stars count, the size again for desktop and mobile, and again the alignment. We then have this text that shows under the subtitle, again an image, a custom font, settings for desktop and mobile, and centering options. Moving down, we have our slider settings, so this is the overall reviews that you see here. Again, much the same, we have width, view, gap, desktop and mobile, and margins. Settings for the cards, so these individual reviews cards, again, much of the same. A lot of settings for customization, padding, desktop and mobile, radiuses, etc. Keep on moving down these overall section settings and customize everything like the card heading, the card text, these individual text here for the buttons, all of the fonts, the alignments, even the arrow sizes for desktop and mobile. We've got dot settings and then the button settings at the bottom. And then finally at the bottom, we customize the colors with all of these settings here. So it doesn't have to be green. It can be a color that suits your brand or just a specific color that you want to implement. Once you've completed all the overall section settings, we can move to these blocks on the left-hand side. And this is one of my favorite things about these sections, is these are the individual reviews. So you can customize the heading, the text, the author, and the date here, along with the stars count. And what this means is you have full control over the reviews that show up in these sections. So this may be a case where you have 500 or 1,000 reviews on Google, or maybe a competitor's left you a bad review that you don't want showing up on your Shopify website. This allows you to have full control over everything that customer sees, and you can include or exclude reviews based on your preference and what you want showing up on the website. Move through all of these cards with much the same settings: a stars count, a heading, the text for a review, an author, and a date to add all of the reviews in here. And then once you're happy with how everything's looking, head up to the top right and hit save on the theme. Head back to the theme preview, and as you can see here, we've got this custom testimonial section that we just created showing up in the theme preview. It's completely customizable with the heading, the subheading, and all of the review cards along with the stars ratings, and can be added in just a couple of minutes. As new reviews come in for your brand, you can continue to go back into the theme editor and either add or remove reviews depending on what you want customers to see. So there we have it. That's just a quick tutorial of how you can add a testimonial slider just like this one to any Shopify theme in only a couple of minutes. The best points are it works in any theme, the free or the paid ones. It's a one-time charge of only $9, so you're paying absolutely no app subscription, and it's optimized for both desktop and mobile. If you have any questions about any of these sections, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, keep an eye on both this channel and the app as we release new sections every single week.